His Excellency Dato Abdul Malik Melvin Castellino, the Ambassador of the Malaysia to the Philippines, His Excellency Agus Wijojo, the Ambassador of Indonesia to the Philippines, our very own Deputy Governor Chuchi Fonashir, Congressman Hataman, Mayor Dada Hataman, Congressman Dimapuro, colleagues in the government as well as in the private sector, partners from the banking industry, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, let me extend my profound gratitude to everyone who joined us in today's launch of the Philippine Islamic Finance Business Case Report. Your presence and participation have made this event a meaningful and impactful one. Our message is clear. The Philippines is fully committed to grow a vibrant Islamic banking and finance ecosystem. Today, we have explored the immense potential of Islamic finance as a driving force for financial inclusion, economic resilience, and national development. We have reaffirmed that Islamic finance is not just an alternative financial system. It is a solution that aligns with our shared goals of equity, transparency, and inclusivity. It serves as a pathway to empower financially underserved segments of the population and contribute to sustainable economic growth. Further, we have also demonstrated our earnest commitment to respond to the long outstanding call of many Filipinos to be included in the formal financial sector by giving them access to products and services that can serve their requirements. As we conclude today's event, I hope that this roadshow has stimulated new ideas, strengthened partnerships, and encouraged all of us to work together toward unlocking the full potential of Islamic finance. The significant milestones we have achieved should serve as a pillar for enhancing our regulatory framework, upgrading our collaboration to a more focused roadmap on ensuring a complete and resilient Islamic banking and finance ecosystem. We anticipate more interagency discussions, and as we fortify relevant technical assistance agreement to ensure that international standards and practices will be properly integrated in our regulatory framework and infrastructure to better support the development of a vibrant Islamic finance in the country. The renewed strategy will focus on drawing and developing the Philippine Islamic Finance Roadmap, consistent with our committed initiatives for establishing a dynamic, sustainable, and inclusive Islamic finance ecosystem in the Philippines. Among the targeted initiatives include the establishment of the BSP Sharia-compliant financial instruments, which the financial supervision sector of the BSP is working closely with the monetary and economic sector and the financial markets to make that a reality. And of course, with the Department of Loans and Credit, that will actually support the liquidity management of Islamic banks and Islamic banking units operating in the Philippines. It will also include Islamic accounting and auditing standards, guidelines for corporate issuance of sukuk, Islamic Deposit Insurance Scheme, the Philippine Halal Development, which is a very important aspect also of promoting this Islamic financing in the country, and more sovereign and commercial sukuk issuances. This is very important to complement the operation of Islamic bank institutions in the Philippines. These are commitments that will be shared under the relentless whole-of-government approach in serving the Filipino people. In closing, let me extend my sincere appreciation to the Asian Development Bank and my colleagues at the Bangko Sentral for their enormous efforts in making this event a resounding success. Your dedication and unwavering support complement our collective commitment to advancing Islamic finance in the Philippines. May this event inspire confidence to stakeholders, especially market players and investors, that the presented opportunities in Islamic finance will soon become realities for a more inclusive and prosperous future to the Philippines. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.